Our global healthcare systems face a pivotal moment. Aging populations, escalating costs, and heightened expectations for superior outcomes underscore the urgent need for breakthrough solutions. Our current medical technologies, stretched thin, often fail to address the complexities of present healthcare challenges. Yet, hope shines brightly with innovation paving the way towards a future where healthcare transcends mere condition management, aiming instead to significantly enhance life quality for all. Envision a realm where diagnoses are pinpointed with unparalleled precision, treatments tailor made, and healthcare accessibility universal. The path to this future mandates confronting today's pressing issues: the surge in healthcare demands, the limitations of existing medical technology, and the critical call for innovative responses. As we explore the realm of biomedical engineering, remember these challenges. They fuel the impending innovations destined to revolutionize healthcare. Amidst a global healthcare renaissance, biomedical engineers stand as harbingers of change, bringing forth a suite of revolutionary technologies set to reshape patient care. With every lab-on-a-chip diagnostic and advanced prosthetic, we're witnessing the dawn of a new era defined by hope and collaboration. These pioneering solutions, born from the fusion of medical science and engineering, have transitioned from concept to reality, championing the quest to tackle healthcare's formidable challenges. As we journey through this era, we encounter innovations that are not merely theoretical, but are revolutionizing patient care and outcomes. These marvels promise a future of precise diagnostics, effective treatments, and unprecedented personalized care. Transformative changes making their mark globally and leading us into the next chapter of medical science. The revolution in modern healthcare unfolds quietly, marked by the swift advancement of biomedical engineering. Far beyond lab theories, these innovations breathe new life into hospitals and clinics worldwide, revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. Picture a world where complex conditions are diagnosed swiftly, accurately, thanks to these advancements. The integration of these technologies into healthcare settings not only signifies major progress, but showcases their transformative impact on patient care. This chapter highlights innovation in action, weaving engineering prowess with compassionate care to significantly improve patient outcomes and experiences across continents. Transitioning from individual success stories, we gaze upon the wider transformation taking root in healthcare systems globally, propelled by biomedical engineering. Beyond scientific marvels, they epitomize cost efficiency and outcome improvement, signifying a shift towards more accessible, affordable, and advanced healthcare solutions. With innovations like telemedicine and robotic surgeries, healthcare delivery is evolving rapidly. These strides towards personalization and efficiency hint at a future free from healthcare disparities, heralding an era where advanced care is a universal right. In this transformative journey, we're not just observers, but active participants, shaping an equitable, effective, and sustainable healthcare future. As we stand on the precipice of the future, we reflect on the journey biomedical engineering has embarked us upon, marveling at its boundless potential. This domain of relentless innovation has delivered breakthroughs, shaping a future where healthcare seamlessly integrates with technology. The journey, propelled by research and collaborative efforts across disciplines, promises advancements that extend beyond mere technological feats, prioritizing accessibility and placing groundbreaking healthcare within everyone's reach. Together, let's navigate this promising path where technology and healthcare unite to forge a more effective, efficient, and equitable world for all. The horizon is bright with the promise of biomedical engineering, crafting a future we envision and build together.